Entering its 5th generation, the Expedition is the Blue Oval's biggest family hauler and brings multiple novelties for 2025, including a Tremor off-road trim that's replacing the outgoing Timberline. The Expedition Tremor is also rocking more off-road gear by way of steel Raptor-inspired running boards and 33-inch General Grabber all-terrain tires. Ford says it's also retuned the suspension and the electric power steering toward an off-road use case. Underbody protection further encases at the front axle, engine, transfer, and fuel tank, while the Tremor's ground clearance increases to a respectable 10.6 inches. Inside, the Expedition Tremor has a totally new dashboard with a 24.0-inch screen mounted on top and a touchscreen located in the center. The infotainment system is called the Ford Digital Experience and uses Google-based software, along with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Under the hood, the Tremor variant comes standard with the twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, producing 440 horsepower and 691 newton-meter of torque. Along with a 10-speed automatic and standard four-wheel drive, the Tremor has an electronically locking rear differential. It also has exclusive drive settings, including rock crawl mode and trail tackling aids, such as a one-pedal feature for conquering low-speed obstacles and trail turn assist for maximizing maneuverability in tight spaces. Sadly, Ford hasn't said how much the 2025 Expedition Tremor will cost, but it'll likely be more expensive than the outgoing Timberline, which started at nearly $74,000. Meanwhile, the order books open later this month on October 24th.